Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Nock Finance token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Nock Finance is an AI-powered intent execution protocol built on Robinhood chain that transforms DeFi accessibility through natural language interaction. By developing specialized autonomous agents, Nock enables users to execute complex on-chain operations, swaps, yield optimization, leverage positions, and tokenize equity management without technical knowledge. The Nock tokens unlocks advanced agent capabilities, including preps and stock token agents, while maintaining user sovereignty through non-custodial architecture and enforced permission systems. Nock eliminates friction between users' intent and blockchain execution by intelligently routing transactions across multiple VNSs, optimizing for best executions, and managing position lifecycle automatically. Nock token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion. Nock token is listed on Uniswap, V2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.